Hey there, it's Mark, and welcome to Truckin' Tuesday on Mr. Grooves. We're going to take a look at this Hot Wheels model right here. This is the Hot Wheels back slider. We haven't seen this one in a long time, so we're going to take a look at it. Last week, I took a look at Cabbin Fever. Cabbin Fever is a ramp truck. This opens up, and you put the car on the back. Quite different. This one is called Back Slider. Mattel likes to come up with witty names for their cars, you know, with the double entendre with that. This one, it's a ramp truck, you can see, or flatbed truck. There you can see the winch or the coil where you hook it up to the bottom of a car, and then you would unwind that, bring it down here, hook it to a car. Like this one is the 2010 Ford Mustang GT. This is not a current release. It's been a few years old. So you would unwind this, bring it out, hook it to the front of the car, and then you would pull this up. Whereas this one, look, you can't even, I guess you can go like that to get your car off of the ramp, but you wouldn't do this in real life. It's okay, it's a toy, it's fine. Don't get me wrong. But this one, back slider, sure enough, look, you can just hold on to this and slide it on down. How perfect can that be? Look, nice, roll it right up, and there's the back tires, nice little spot. Fits very well. How about we try a longer model? Maybe you're familiar with Power Rocket. That's a pretty long model. Let's go ahead and check it out. Power Rocket, this is when it still had the gap right here. The modern version, when they retooled it, it's connected. Does this have an opening canopy? Let me check. Oh yeah, see, this Power Rocket has the opening canopy. If you have a newer version of Power Rocket, it's molded to the body. So this way, I guess it's just easier for them. Easier, cheaper. You can't lose that, can't break it. Well, I guess you could break it. Let's try this, see how long it is. Put it up the middle. How well does that fit? Look, even a long model like that fits very nicely. If you'll excuse me, so we can take a look at the rest of the truck. The white part of the truck is metal. All this part right here, this is all metal. Otherwise, everything is plastic, 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 even the base plastic. Let's see, there you go, back slider. I think this was from 2012. Do we have a code? Yeah, right there, E32. That's about 20, let's see, 8, 9, 10. It was produced around in 2012. I wouldn't be surprised if this plastic piece is the same one that pops up here, pops up right here for the windows, and for the light bar assembly on top. Probably no interior. There's a look at the back. Now you see this channel right here? That's how this actually slides. It slides in that channel. Has a little clasp right there. Let's see. I'm pretty sure it pops off. Yeah, see? Just a little hook. Now you just set it back in there, snap it in. There you go. And let's see, all the way back. All the way back, and the wheels stay on the ground so it doesn't interfere. Let's go ahead and slide it back up, and it would just slide in that channel. There you go. There's a close-up of the Team Hot Wheels graphics. And Team Hot Wheels, some of the models had different decos on each side, but maybe not this one. This one came from a 5-pack. If I have a link, oh, sure did. Look, big flame. Oh yeah, see. Team Hot Wheels, they did that a lot where they did not have the same decos on each side of the model. Ramp trucks are what you're going to want to use for expensive cars. You don't want to use a tow truck that has a hook that comes down. You know, the old style tow trucks, you don't see them anymore. Let's say you got your Bugatti Veyron and for some reason it broke down on the road. You're going to want to use this type of truck to where then you hook under the car, and then you pull the car up the ramp. And this way your car is nice and safe. And let's go ahead and slide this all the way up. There you go. Nice and safe. I'm pretty sure I have the video where I unbox this 5-pack. If I do, I'll give you a link to that. And if you want to know where I got this Bugatti Veyron, yeah, I got a link for that too. In case you missed my review of the Cabbin Fever, here you go. That's for the custom Mustang. I don't think I have anything for that one. Thank you for subscribing. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.